Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my wellness planner, which is the wild styled classic size happy planner. This was an 18-month planner released last year. I still use it for my wellness and I absolutely love it. So here we go. I am going to be continuing to use the Beauty in Floral sticker book. This is the third week I'm using this and it is so much fun to do. So I'm going to start with picking this box. This is kind of what got me started. And it is really beautiful. And I'm going to kind of go through the book and see what I can pair it with. And while I'm flipping through the book, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, I am so thankful and I appreciate you so much. And if you are new and coming in here for the first time, welcome. I'm so happy you found me and I hope you enjoy it being here. And if you do, make sure you subscribe. I'll truly appreciate that. Okay, so let's go ahead and pair this up with this beautiful floral arrangement and kind of layer them prior to putting them down. And the way I do this is I lay the stickers down first, but not firmly. And when that's done, I'm able to gently lift the sticker up and kind of camouflage any of the black lines that would seep through the sticker. So that's what I am doing. Amazing. Okay, it shows a little bit, but probably not as much as it would normally. And it is really crooked, and I want to see if I can fix it. But maybe I can just leave it. It's a little crooked and it's not horrible, so I'm gonna try to live with that one. I'm gonna grab another one of these arrangements and I'm gonna look for a sticker to pair it up with. Let's see. This one says be a difference maker, and I need another one of that same sort. Oh, I got stuck with my sticker on my hand. I'm lifting pages. Okay, and I found a longer one, which is okay because that side is longer, and I'm going to lay it down horizontally instead of vertically. And it's cool. This one says cherish life's best moments, and how true is that? So for this one, because it's right on the edge, I am using the white Uni-Ball first, and I'm going to kind of try to put it so it doesn't block too many of the holding little punches. So I'm just adding some white to some areas like so. Oh, these are so gorgeous. I absolutely love these florals. And I'm just gonna take my clear ruler and with the edge of it, I'm going to take any bubbles out. And I'm really gentle with it. And my sticker is really nice and flat, so I can go ahead and continue planning. I'm going to be keeping this super simple. I think these stickers are so elegant and they're so saturated with color. They really don't need much on the page for them to really stand out. I mean, even if I chose to leave it the way it is right now, I probably could, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this a little bit quicker, and I'm just gonna go ahead and draw all of the checklists. So since this is my wellness planner, I do track my meals. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner. Then I do my snacks, and I do my medical stuff, which is any kind of supplements or medication that I need to take. Okay, so here we go with that. I also do track my mood and any symptoms that I have in this planner, so I think that helps quite a bit to be able to look back and see what was going on with me. Okay. And last check mark. Beautiful. I feel like I need something in my sidebar to make this match. And I'm thinking of using this sticker that says, "Don't forget how wildly capable you are." Okay, so there goes that. And it doesn't feel quite finished. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what else I can add to this planner spread to make it feel a little bit more finished. And before I do that, I'm gonna take my tiny scissors and cut out the punches so I can put this back in my planner. Okay, so it is cut out. There we go. I'll be able to put this back in my planner now. And I'm looking for something extra. I feel like it's missing something. It needs like one more additional thing. Maybe we can try the washi on the bottom and see if that makes a difference. Hopefully it does. So I'm gonna start right on the edge underneath the boxes like so, and I'm gonna line it up and just press it down. Like so. I think that's beautiful. And I'm gonna grab a smaller strip and do the same thing on the other side. Like so. And I think this is it. I think I like my spread the way it is. I like it a little bit more simple. Lately I've been really into simple spreads and really elegant spreads, and that's exactly what this feels like to me. It feels super elegant and simple and beautiful. So let me go ahead and pop this back into my planner. Take a look from up top, make sure everything looks great and that we are good to go. It seems to look really good, and I feel like it is pretty balanced. I don't need any more color. Once I write in it, I think the look will change even more. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed making this spread with me. And if you did, don't forget to like this. And if you guys have any ideas for future sticker books, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!